If you're looking to recover your Overwatch 2 graphics settings, this guide will help you restore them to their previous state. Follow these steps to ensure your game runs smoothly with your preferred graphics settings. Step 1. Access the game settings. Launch Overwatch 2 and navigate to the main menu. From there, click on the gear icon to open the settings menu. Step 2. Select the graphics tab. In the settings menu, find and click on the graphics tab. This section contains all the visual settings for the game. Step 3. Restore default settings. Look for an option that says Restore Defaults or Reset to Default. Clicking this will revert all graphics settings back to their original state. Step 4. Adjust settings as needed. After restoring defaults, you can manually adjust the settings to your liking. Change options like resolution, texture quality, and shadow details according to your preferences. Step 5. Save changes. Once you have made your adjustments, ensure you click the Apply or Save button to confirm your changes. This will ensure your new settings are active the next time you play. By following these steps, you can successfully recover and customize your Overwatch 2 graphics settings. Enjoy your gaming experience.